Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Let's take a look just the local zones for link where maybe more than okay to try open a long. So global targets, so I will not repeat again the information. So we come back, guys, again inside the 27 block, the range what I posted before, global one. So if you skip the first videos here, this is a range where we traded link, one of not so many tokens so would move so accurate by algorithmic flips. So we landed again inside this block. Unfortunately, yes, it happened, and all these moves, after 3 years, it just don't make sense. So let's be real. All altcoins crashed down like meme coins. So what's the point of that super attached projects? I have no idea if they perform like this one. Of course, we can say, oh, there is no liquidity and all of this stuff, guys. So that's why we have to ask the question, why? Why the big guys don't want to invest in that super fundamental projects? So it's not about the links and some problem with the links, but you remember a lot of EDF they launched with for the link, a lot of partnership, integration, blah, 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 all the stuff, and the price, this is the result. So we, like a trader, like investor, we don't care about attached side of the project. We don't care about it because we invest the money. We care about the returns and the gains for the trades. That's why how low we can drop. We can drop, of course, we can go to zero even, right? Because the lowest point here in the March 2022 was $1.36. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low, but just in case the algorithm already dump under the COVID dump low. So it's possible. Just in theory, it's possible. The most negative scenario, guys, of course, if we dump and sweep the low of June 2023 on the $4, maybe at this area, somewhere here, I will touch the Chainlink for the spot. So around under this block, until we trade inside the block, I don't care about the future, about the spot position. Here I can trade on the futures. If we out of this range and drop to some of these order blocks on a monthly time frame, maybe I will touch it or a spot position. So range now, just in average, here. So we can drop to 0.5 level FIB of this range. We move so accurate, I repeat it again, because the link tests at the level so perfectly. So here, if we start forming the 3 drives pattern, it can be like 1, 2, and 3. 650, it can be the bottom, and here's the weekly time frame favorable gap will be. Or 61, I don't think so. We're going to stop at 650 round number, but 641, it's more than possible to try open long position. You can even try to open long even now, but the stop loss, it's kind of 17% stop loss. So you can try add a stop loss here, for example, like 10x with 10% stop loss with second leverage. Maybe. For me, it's not enough reasons now to open long for a link. So I waited this area. If we not drop, I will be more than happy and start work with a long position while we start to build the uptrend structure. I truly believe we're going to reach the next target because 1, 2, and we should see the 3 rise pattern on a weekly time frame upside move. Locally, I showed you 641, more than okay to try open long. ADZ direction, we're in accumulation. So now no makes sense to open short. Of course, because at any second they can liquidate their short position, right, and pump it the token. With the news from United States or without a news, now I'll focus just on just price action. So this is a accumulation based on ADZ. Last time we saw this type of accumulation here, the level around here. The most horrible scenario, of course, if we go in the chop zone over then here, May 2022, October 2023, over the year, if we go in just a chop range like it was in 2022, 2023. So this is the worst case scenario if we just stuck in this range again. But now it's a good idea to accumulate the link. Here, beginning of February, we are in accumulation based on the direction indicator. It's a good one. Daily, 1, 2. So I wish to see the sweep of this low, and the warranty, bigger the warranty, and the 3 rise pattern. So for now, I repeat again, for me, not enough reason to open long now with a link. direction, we rebound and trade on the middle line. Market mood, of course, on a daily, it's a disbelief. A weekly time frame, it's capitulation. 12 time frame, disbelief. 4 hour time frame, after this one, after capitulation, we pump it. A3 drop. Now it's a hope. So it's not a disbelief again. If we use, let's hide this rectangle. If we use the local FIB, on 4 hour time frame, we not form the correction here. So 0.5. If we in a moment trade like this one. So this is an impulse, correction, impulse. Now we stay at 23. So the zone, once again, should be 788, 756, 742. But I think we can drop lower. I will be more than happy if I will be wrong. But I'm still waiting, by the way, the BTC targets, what I posted in the previous video. 4 hour time frame, no money inflow. 12 hour time frame, no money inflow. Daily time frame, no money inflow. The last money inflow was here. Now nothing. Weekly time frame, yes. For a spot position, yes. So the whales accumulate step by step. 1, 2, 3. Last time, this type of accumulation was here. This kind of scary, because if we rebound like this one, we can drop even under the $4. And here, made somebody too. So 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row accumulation. Now we got like 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row accumulation also. So I hope we are around here. I hope. Trade on. Trade on. This is what I don't like, guys. We still didn't see the take profit signal. Let's add alert. Yes, it's kind of weird. You can think it's silly, it's not necessary. So we have to see the signal to take profit from the sales on a weekly time frame. But you can open the dot, for example, and only just now on the $2, the dot only finally now see the signal take profit. All that time period, even if you want to believe Polkadot one day will be under $5 or under $10, all of that people wrecked because only now finally we saw the signal take profit from the sales on the weekly time frame, and only now it's more than okay to start accumulate the dot. That's why it's not necessary. So we will see that signal to take profit now, but anyway, sooner or later we will see this one, and it's going to be the signal for reversal move. The same story on a daily. Here, sell was at in August, kind of strange. Here was January 31, end of correction, and the signal take profit on a daily. Here's a buy. I wish to see another sweep. 641 entry and a new signal to buy. And I hope we'll see by end of this week signal take profit on the weekly. And the last indicator is take profit. We already dumped it on the fundamental value, retested the 50%. So now I wish to see the test of the buy line, 810 daily. Test the buy line 741. It's a buy line on the 12 time frame. For the fundamental value, it's 548 on the 12 time frame. 5606. It's a fundamental value on the daily. Take profit line 1599. At this current moment, all lines are dynamic. That's why I highly recommend you just add alerts. 1805. It's a take profit line. And now we try hold the line at the fundamental value again. So add alerts to take profit. One day we will come back and test the take profit line, this one. But now I'm scared we can drop even a little bit lower. So just in case, guys, at 641, I will be more than happy to try open long position. For now, it's not enough reason, personally, for me. All targets I showed you. 4 hour time frame, by the way, here. Take a look, perfectly test. If we drop lower to the 4 hour time frame, retest it again, 585, but the lines are dynamic, so I will not surprise if in the next few days we will be around 650 and retest that level. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap this in a comment what you think about Link. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video right near the end. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.